Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers across the world, especially to the mothers who is working on the office and also on the content creator world and also on the politics side of being a mother who is working as a politician, and the most hardworking mother of them all is to be a housewife. Thank you for your sacrifice that that you give to us, your kids across the world, for your unselfless love for all of your children across the entire universe. Happy Mother's Day to all of the mothers, especially the homemaker one, like my mother, Lani Bayot Saison. Happy Mother's Day to you in heaven.